What's up, baby worlds? Oh my god, why is it doing so much? Hold on. Okay. What is up, AV worlds? You guys, we are trying to not reorganize, we're trying to remodel some stuff in the RV. So I wanted to vlog it. Let's go. See what he's doing. Yeah, look at this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut there and leave a little shelf on the top and do the same on this side, so then we can have a bigger bed.
Whoa! Hello there!
Oh my god!
What you eating, you little?
Oh my god! My house is being destroyed. It is so dirty.
Okay, so look. Come show them our issue. We ran into our first problem.
What?
This plumbing that goes up to the ceiling. That's the breather.
Okay.
We can't cut that off unless you want the house to smell.
Okay.
Yeah, the breather.
See him in the bathroom. Over there.
Oh my god!
What up, man? Alright, you guys, so the plan is, let me zoom out. So the plan is that we're gonna, the wall that was here, we're gonna keep the wall there, right? We're gonna build a niche, which is like a hole in the wall, so we can put like our shoes and like folded clothes. So then that way we can get a California king size bed that goes from that wall to this wall. And then those will be cut from there. So we just have shelving on the top, and then we'd have like all this to be the bed, all of it. All I want is a bed. I want a bigger bed. So this is all the stuff he's taken out. Oh my god. He's taken out already.
Oh, not bad!
Show them what you're doing. Let me show them. Let me get in real quick.
Tell them what we're doing.
Oh my goodness.
Zoom down?
Yeah. So, I don't know if I showed you guys already before how it used to look. I don't think I did. I should have, but I didn't. So there was a mirror here and like a cabinet, and then the sink. So now that's gone, and then there was like shelves here. So
yeah. So we're gonna bring this wall out to here, and we're technically gonna have like a floating.
Like I told him it's like a shelf inside the wall.
Yeah, for the sink, for just the sink, I have to do all the plumbing and stuff, and then we're just gonna run this wall out. That way we gain more closet space on that side. That way we can move all our stuff and we can make the bed bigger.
Yeah, that's all we want. We want a bed bigger.
Alright guys, so this, I can't believe it's open. Look, this was the wall that was dividing. So we're technically gonna make a wall that goes straight like this, right before the door. It's gonna be the wall like that. We're technically losing the sink because we don't use it. We're just gonna brush our teeth in the shower. And then it's gonna be a frame right here, just like that, how it is right there. And then we're gonna put a long bar from here all the way to where that one is, so we can hang our clothes. And then we're gonna make one just like, excuse me, ma'am, just like that. We're gonna make it all the way over here. That way we can put like our what are these, cubbies? And then we can put our socks and stuff. And then after that, we gotta wait till the mattress comes in so that we can eliminate that mirror, we're gonna technically cut it right there. Technically, yeah, right there. And cut that one. And then we're gonna have a bigger bed. You showed them that already?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the bed is gonna be like probably like 10 inches wider to each side. You excited?
Excited. What are we doing with this?
Oh, we gotta chop it off and then...
Can we chop this off and this off so it could be a clean slate when we get back? Beautiful.
Okay, guys. So we have this mess, but we're gonna have a lot of advance today. We're gonna go to Home Depot right now and pick out the technically like the new wall. It's just like a sheet of like little plywood. So we're gonna go to Home Depot, buy some wood, buy that, and I think we should have most of it by tonight. If not all of it. Yeah, I think if not all of it, but I don't want to jinx it.
Yeah.
But we'll have most of it, and then and we gotta get a new bar for the thing so we can hang the stuff up. I just gotta measure that, and then that's it. So hopefully we're moving along pretty fast. Those cables right there, that was for a GFI thingy. So we're just gonna chop that off, connect them up there, and do a little box up there. And then this one right here is for the switch for these lights. So we're just gonna move it on this way. That way, when you're walking into the room, boop, 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 you just turn on before you even walk in. Even more convenient. And then that's about it. This wood goes, and that's it. Now it's just building. And the easy thing is that in a house you put like compound, you put drywall, you put all that. Here you just put the wood and the wallpaper. That's it. Right?
Right.
Let's go.
Look at Bob the Builder. That's Bob the Builder right there. Look, you guys. Look what they've done so far. This was all the mess. All the stuff from the closets. Beautiful. Sí. Oh my God, my bathroom feels...
Allá falta poner el panel. Y aquí falta clavar.
Look, you guys. This is the closet. You just have to put the curtain rod, put the clothes. You guys, the bathroom feels so tiny. There's no sink. There's just gonna be a wall here. But now we have to buy that thing where like it attaches the door. So literally it's just a toilet and a shower. I'm gonna put my mirror in there. Not in there, in the bathroom. Look, you guys. I told Alex that we shouldn't sleep here. He wants to sleep on the couch. I have to move all that. Fix the bed. Look at Bob the Builder.
What?
That's Jose the Builder.
Alright guys, so time. We're not gonna sleep here. What? We're not gonna sleep here tonight. We're gonna take a sleep somewhere else. We're gonna sleep outside. But this is what it's looking like so far. So we're gonna hang the TV up right here where the TV backup was before. We're gonna hang it right here, and then we're gonna have those two shelves are gonna stay up there, and we're gonna have a rod coming from over here all the way over here, and we're gonna have all this full of clothes, and then I'm gonna make a small shelf at the bottom from there to over here for our shoes. And we have two closet lights. This one is for GFI for the shower, and then for the TV, the connection is already here. So all we gotta do is put the TV up, run it through here, boop, connecting. And then where we lost space was in the bathroom, but Whoa, you can't go in here, baby. Claustrophobic. So, if you guys can see, this is the shower. Shower stayed the same. Pretty big for one person. Toilet stayed the same. You could poop pretty good. Your legs are open. You could clean yourself still. Same thing. You only lost space where the sink was. Technically, that wall was all the way over there where the closet it is now. And then this is where the sink is gonna go. Oh well, it used to go. Can you feel me, babe?
I feel you, babe.
That's what she said. And then so I'm gonna put a mirror for Vanessa here for her hair. And then we're thinking about the GFI going on this side, and then putting like a hook for her hair straightener on this side. And then in the future, I mean, if we're ever gonna sell the RV, we'll just put a sink right here, like a floating sink, so that the value increases again. Because people cry about shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
We just have to cover
this up. And then
oh my god, I can't wait for the new wall to go in tomorrow to the bathroom.
oh, the accent wall.
That'd be so cool.
And then the next step after that is we have to order the mattress, and we gotta wait on. Yeah, and then we gotta wait till we're done, or until we gotta wait until we pick up the mattress, and then we can actually get to cutting this, cutting there, and then putting the platform here so that the mattress has the support. So it'll go from like right here to here. And then me and her were just talking that we gotta invert this door to open this way. Yeah, to open this way instead of opening like that how it is now, because this mattress is gonna come out even more up to like here. So then it's not gonna be able to close. So
And we're gonna change that door. This door.
maybe
Maybe
we're gonna change this door, because it sucks opening it and then you have to like getting in a little corner to close it again. So it'll be better if like you're here and then you open it this way and you go in straight this way.
Yeah.
Because nobody's gonna, I mean, if you come from the bedroom either way, just step over here on this side and that's it.
We're finally gonna have a real closet.
Yes.
Oh, I can go shopping.
No. Alright guys, so
You're so lame.
oh my god. That's it for today. We're gonna go to work and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish. There's probably about like 2 more hours left. Doing little tiny things. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you guys subscribe. And make sure you guys push that notification bell. You're so ugly, bro. I can't believe I married you. You're so ugly. Make sure you guys push that notification bell so that you guys can see the outcome.